Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for some ways to stream TikTok with OBS, this is the video for you. So first thing first, you have to launch TikTok in your PC. As soon as you do that, make sure that you are logged into your account, and on your left hand side, you will see Live. So go ahead, click onto Live. And now you have to take notice under server URL and stream key. You have to simply copy it so that you can paste it in your OBS Studio. So make sure that you copy this as it is. Now the next step is launching your OBS Studio. You will see a page like this. Here you will also see a settings button. Click onto it. Now go for stream and then the service. Click onto it. Make sure that you set it to custom. Once you do so, make sure that you type in your server's name correctly. If you don't know your server name, you can also Google it. Simply type in server name for TikTok for USA and then search. Now it'll give you some name, for instance, like Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. You may go ahead and paste it. And then make sure that you paste your stream key correctly. Once done, make sure that you also don't share this with anybody because this is highly confidential. Once done, click on OK and then apply. As you do so, you may go ahead and simply edit the changes however you would like and stream on TikTok. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.